session, we would understand how you can master your psychology optional without a coaching. Now, it's important that most of the students go spending lakhs of rupees for coaching. However, many of them now realize that going for a more precise, flexible, and cutting edge material is important, and most of the institutions lack to provide this. So, it's really important that for a scientific subject like psychology, what should be your right strategy? The right answer here is self study. Now, there are numerous standard references which start from Morgan King to Barron's to Cicerelli. All of these help you to build a strong foundation. But again, when it comes to UPSC, how you can actually have a proper structured answer writing for this subject. It's important that psychology as a subject is not only important for your optional, but it's highly important for your essay writing, for your GS paper 4, which is ethics, and also for your interview. That's your final stage for the UPSC. Now, once you are going through the concepts in psychology, for example, either you go through the Morgan King or you go through Cicerelli, you would be able to have a very strong foundational understanding of the concept. But what is now important is to bring it into your answers. So once you develop your concept, which is the very foundation for any examination, you are now asked to produce that in your answer copy. So the steps are really important to help do so. So first of all, what we would recommend at this point is the paper 1 and paper 2. Now for paper 1, you would find ample of references, and for paper 2, you would find very few. So it's very important that how you would connect this paper 1 to paper 2, which is highly applicative in nature. So going through NCBI articles, NHI articles is some of the good ways through which you can build a strong foundation. Go through various research studies, case studies that can actually enrich your answer, and if you go on to the study material that we provide, you would be able to understand how you can better curate your answers. Now then is the time to check the correct resources. As I said, if you are going on to a coaching institute, you would get a summary of a material. However, that material is not a cutting edge material and is not actually updated with the need of the examination. It's just putting the facts one after the other. So going for conceptual clarity, go for standard books like Cicerelli, Morgan King, that would help you build foundations after you have completed your NCRTs. Now, once you are done with that, it's really important to go for a compiled resource where you can either you can trust that resource, and you should not go for n number of resources and then try to gist them together. And finally is to apply it to the real world scenario, specifically targeting to Indian scenario if possible. So even case studies that you are picking, if you can relate it to Indian scenario, it's excellent. For example, I take a simple case of educational psychology. Now, if you are asked a question on educational psychology, if you can integrate your answer with new education policy, you can integrate your answers with AI powered education, how it is affecting the younger masses, and cases like that, depending on what the exact question is, you are able to better structure and curate your answer as compared to your peer groups. So what we try to understand here is to transform your answer to a real answer. Now, when we go through the real facts, what we are trying to highlight is have better retention. Now, sometimes physical notes play a better role. So, going for authentic material is one such way. So the exam race material would help you to get a proper structure for your conceptual clarity along with the entire syllabus coverage, and then integrating the first and the second part is where, as I said, very important, and that is when you are targeting a score of 300 plus. Then is to integrate the current examples. Now, for example, I can say Maslow's hierarchy, which is a very, very common topic in motivation. If you are trying to have Indian bureaucratic motivation, this would be a good idea to help you understand and interlink the answer. And then beyond the standard coaching institute material, it is important that you go for curated answers and the topics which are more and more contemporary in nature, and it's not just filled up with messy content, and it's more aligned to the need of the day. So success is not about how many hours you put into your study, but it is mainly about the quality and the material that you are able to generate from the text and the references that you are studying. And finally, subscribe to the content to get more into information into it. The link is available below. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to connect back to us. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.